Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about the disaccharides, and as we know that the disaccharides also sugars, and they are those carbohydrates which are made up of two monomers, only two sugar molecules. They can be any type of sugar molecules, and they are joined together by a glycosidic bond. And the most common examples of disaccharides are sucrose, lactose and maltose. Here comes the example of sucrose, and as it is written in my slide, sucrose is made up of the two monomers glucose and fructose. This is the glucose monomer and this is the fructose, and they are joined together by glycosidic bond and form a sucrose molecule. This is lactose, and lactose is made up of galactose and glucose, and they are joined together by glycosidic bond and forms the lactose molecule. This is maltose, and this is made up of the two glucose molecules, and as we can say that the glucose molecules are joined together by same glycosidic bond and form a maltose molecule. So this is all about disaccharides. I hope you know well about disaccharides. Meet you in the next lecture. Till then, stay tuned and Allah Hafiz.